how to send money from Cash App to another Cash App account or to Cash App. So here's what we want to do. First, load up your Cash App application. Make sure you are on the home screen and type the amount which you want to send. Afterwards, we will select Pay. Now here we need to write the person's name, cash tag, phone or email, one of those. And I'll just do the cash tag. So this is going to be to Ned, and it's going to show us all of these options here for the people, and I will select the person to whom I want to send the money. So I'm gonna confirm it. Okay, so the note, we will need to write a note here. So why we're sending them this money, it's going to be for a test here. And after you have filled out this information, you can click on pay, and this is going to pay the person, or it's going to send the money from Cash App to their Cash App. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.